with my sunflower flip through. This kit is from Studio28E. This was my September design team project, and this image right here is my absolute favorite. Isn't that cute? So cute. And a while back I found some sunflower fabric, so it just was meant to be. See how fun? I found this at an estate sale, and I just think it's perfect for the book. And I used a Reader's Digest, so it's a little bit smaller, Reader Digest size, and it's packed full. The words are hard. The closure is an eyelet and some ribbon. I added some jean fabric. Well, it's like jean fabric. I wouldn't say it's jean-ish to kind of reinforce the spine. And let's jump in. So I did some coffee stain, added some of that fabric throughout. I found this paper pad. It's on my floor, a Bow Bunny paper pad, and it's called Enchanted Harvest Collection, and it was at Tuesday Morning. And if you end up buying this kit, this paper pad, and it's actually 2018, which is crazy that it's at Bow Bunny already, or at Tuesday Morning already, because it's brand new basically. But anyway, it was the perfect paper pad to go with Studio28E's digital kit. Did some sewing with some fabric, another sunflower page from the kit, some ledger paper, added some on the inside for a different look, some lace. Here's some of the Bow Bunny paper. Isn't that perfect? The sunflowers, and it's autumn feeling. I just love it. Some tags from the digital kit. This is from the scrapbook paper. Added some ribbon. Here's this another image, my favorite image. And another image from the kit. Added some lace. Did quite a bit of sewing in this. Added some tabs on the side. And then I thought this would be fun. So if you had a word or something or a name, you could add it to the front of this. Made a little documenting spot. You could add pictures in there or do lots of journaling. If I could get it closed. There we go. And this butterfly paper, isn't it to die for? Oh my gosh, love it. Made some more journaling cards using some of the fabric that I used throughout the book. Little hearts on the strings. Another little tab, another page from the kit. Here's another journaling card from the kit. Isn't that pretty? That's a pretty image too. More fabric, my coffee stained paper, a little tuck. And I have some goodies tucked in this one. This one is actually from the kit, and then I just stapled on some tags, or banner tags I should say. Here's another little tag I made. Ledger paper, and here's some more fabric. Made a little tuck spot and did some sewing on this side. And then the second signature, this paper is also from that paper pad, and this is why I thought, oh my gosh, I have to buy it. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. Some more journaling cards. Another page from the kit. And I thought burlap just went really well with the sunflowers. So I added lots of burlap throughout. Here's a little tuck spot made with lace. And a card. Another sunflower page, so pretty. A little tab. And then Vincent van Gogh's picture right there. Isn't that, oh, the best? If you're a sunflower lover, I'm sure you love that picture. I adore it. The butterflies, a little journaling tag, and then mushrooms and butterflies and sunflowers. And I added a tip-in, a fabric tip-in. Another page from the kit. And some more journaling cards on some fabric of tuck spot. And that page from the kit, a little tuck spot here. Another card, backed it with some vintage book paper. Here's some more tags that I added. Some journaling area. Another beautiful picture, and here's some more of that fabric. And a little card. And another picture from the kit. And then in here, this is from the ephemera pack that I also found. I made a little tag, and then this is also some of the ephemera. So I thought it went really well. So isn't that fun? Oh my gosh, sunflowers, love them. I am going to be listing this in my Etsy shop. If you are a sunflower lover, head on over. It'll be there in the next day. I still need to take some pictures and get it all uploaded. If you are interested, you can also comment down below. Yeah, if you want to do like a gratitude journal, or if you love sunflowers or fall, this kit and this, I mean, I don't know, it just is really fun. Or the Bow Bunny paper, anyway, go find it. Go to Tuesday morning. Or you can head on over to my Etsy, and this one's already made. So thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful crafty day. Bye-bye.